How to create welcome email MailerLite. Okay, so first go to MailerLite and then click on automation here at the left side. Okay, now from here just need to click on create, and then you can either start from scratch or just choose one of the templates here. So I'll just use one template here. Click on it and then click on select template here at the top right. Now here you just need to add in your trigger and then all of the other details here. After that, just click on your email, and then here you just need to fill out this form again, and then click on design email to design our email. Okay, now just click on drag and drop editor. Okay, let's wait for this to load. Okay, now from here you can design your email. Now your email would look like this if you've designed it like this. Okay, now after that just click on done editing. Okay, now from here just need to save and close, and there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.